Well, it's Sunday morning and another lovely day, which is good. And we're going out for a walk now down along the lake southwards for a few miles to a place called Sunny Bank, where the plan is to catch the little ferry boat that goes around the lake and have a trip on the boat around the lake. So similar route to yesterday, down through the campsite and then along the side of the lake. So I'll come down through the site, now on to that other campsite next door, and we're going to go along the lake that way once I find the path. It's nice walking along the side of the lake in the sunshine. Having a bit of trouble with the microphone at the moment, so might be a bit of wind noise. Anyway, just follow the lake southwards now. Walking along the lake, admiring the view. Yeah, very nice it is too. Right, paddle boarding, you see. Well, I've got the microphone working again. So I'm just walking through these little woods, following the shore of the lake. Oh, some ducks down there, some mallards. Hiya. It's a lovely walk this, through the woods along the side of the lake, the sun shining. Beautiful. Oh, it's quite warm now. Just past a couple that walked down from the landing stage, which apparently is not far, which is good. So, yeah, we've got about a quarter of an hour till the boat gets here, which is just about perfect. Oh, well, he's found a little beach. So once we get on the boat, we'll go for a cruise across the lake and then all the way up to Coniston and then back down to Torva. So, carrying on. Come on, you. Come on. She's having a wonderful time. And there's the jetty. Sunny Bank. Oh, the sun's just gone in. So we'll wait here now for the boat to come. Bit of a scramble to get down there, but never mind. So we get a nice view of the lake. I can see the boat coming there in the distance. Let's hope it's not too busy. There we go. Here we are. It's actually turned out to be fairly busy, but couldn't sit outside. But maybe later, we'll see.
But there we go, and we get a nice view down. So it's only from this angle we'll get to see down into the secret harbour, and as expected it is rammed full. So come the height of summer, we've actually re-nicknamed this island Alton Towers, because as you can imagine, being the only thing to come and look at on the lake, it couldn't be, well, we tend to say it's more people than island. So there's small sailing boats, inflatable flamingos, we've caught an inflatable unicorn the other year. There's queues of kids waiting to jump off this end rock. It's quite the sight to see.
That's where I've just been walking along there. So we just come to Brantwood. Everybody's got off. So it's just me now. So we're going to go over the lake over there to Coniston. And then Coniston back down to Torva, and then I walk back from Torva. So there's some kind of big house there, Brantwood. Seems to be popular. Lovely view. Coniston Yacht Club in Coniston, and the big hill is the Old Man of Coniston. So yeah, it's a nice trip. Makes a change from walking. Although, fortunately, I've got another mile and a bit to walk back from the Torva jetty, but never mind, I've had a rest. Back in time for lunch. What is it now? It's 12:20. So, yeah. Just coming into Coniston now. The Bluebird Cafe. So that's the boat I've just left. This is Torva Jetty. So we're now going to walk back down to the campsite. It's getting busy now. I'm glad it came when we did.